All right, guys, what's up? My portfolio just paid me yesterday. I'm going to take you guys inside, share with y'all what's going on inside the portfolio, as well as take you behind the scenes and share with you the overall performance and what's on my mind here in the coming future. So let's dive in here and have a look. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, so here we are in my Charles Schwab account. I'll refresh it for you. The market is closed. It's 8:15 in the morning here in China. You can see the Dow was up 0.5%. NASDAQ closed at minus 0.25%, and the S&P is pretty much flat. My portfolio also pretty much flat, up just about a quarter. You can see right now I'm sitting at $74,442, and I've got $13,887 in cash. So if we go in here to view all, I'll show you guys what's going on here. We've got 843 shares of XDTE. I've got 331 of QDTE, 106 of YBTC, and we got 70 of WPay, which I just bought 20 more shares the other day. And I've got QQQI for 55 shares. And then if you look at the bottom, I got some cash stored in SWVXX. That's $5,000 there. And then I got 8,800 in just regular cash that I'm ready to deploy any time now. So that's a total of 13,887. So I want to take you guys. Oh yeah, I also want to let you know I did just deposit $1,000 into this account a couple of days ago. Let me check. I'll tell you. It was on the 1st. Is that right? No, it was on the 3rd. On the 3rd, I deposited right there $1,000 into this account. So I did do that. So let's go have a look at the performance and see what's going on. And then I'll share with you guys my thoughts about this and what I'm thinking about doing, what I'm actually working on right now. So let's record the screen here on the computer and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Let me see here. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So here we are where I track everything. And let me make it bigger so you guys can see. So here's everything that I have. I just showed you guys WPay, QQQI, XDTE, QDTE, and YBTC. All the shares stuff here is all the same as I just showed you in the actual portfolio. So let's go have a look at the performance, which is the most important part. So if you look here, first of all, I'll get it all on the screen here. So you can see at the top there, WPay, right now, market return 2.35% and a total return of 3.52. And this is a brand new position and it's already doing pretty well. So I'm pretty happy with this one, but I am looking to grow this one. As you guys just saw, I only have 70 shares. It's brand new, but I do have some cash there and I'm waiting for a good time to buy more. I'm going to try to increase this as fast as possible because this does have a lot more upside potential. So like it can actually recover better when things go down. So I'm looking to increase this so I can get a little bit more growth out of the portfolio while still getting paid. So the next one you have there, QQQI, total return of 9.16%. So this is doing really well. The market returns 5%. So I'm not complaining about this one. I'm slowly increasing this, but not like aggressively. I'm just letting it kind of grow in the background and do its thing. The next one you see here, XDTE, you can see the total return is 6.7%, but the market return is down. So I bought this at like the all-time high, and when we had the tariffs, this came down and it hasn't fully recovered yet. At one point, it was down like 5%, but now we're down 1.5%. So it's slowly coming back, but I've been buying it and averaging down and that kind of thing. Right now, this is over 800 shares, and this one is on drip, and I'm dripping to get to like 1,000 shares. And then once I get to 1,000 shares, I'll probably turn the drip off and then start expanding some other positions. But right now, I'm just trying to increase this to 1,000 shares just because it's slow, steady income that's very reliable for the most part, but it doesn't grow much. The next one here, QDTE, you can see the market return is slightly positive. about almost 1%, not quite, but the total return is very good. I bought this one at a good time. I guess my timing for this one is a little bit better. And I was slowly buying it as it was dropping instead of buying it at the all-time high. So my return is a little better on this one compared to XDTE. But this has the same downfalls as XDTE. Like if the market drops heavy, this will drop too, and it might struggle to recover. So this position is smaller right now. You can see it's 15%. You see it in the far right there. XDT is 50%. The next one you have is YBTC. This one's 10.75% market return, 35% total return. So this one's doing really, really well. Also, and you see it's 6%. I want to increase this to about 10%, and I want to get this one QQI up to about 5, and WPay also I would like this to be more like 10 or 15%. So I got some work to do to increase my position in these, and I have an empty slot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually have 2 empty slots. I'm a firm believer. $100,000 or less, 5 to 7 stocks, which you can see I have 5, and I have a spot here for 2 more. Really, I only thinking of 1 more, which would be a really high yield booster to, boost the income up a little bit more. But a lot of stuff's at all-time highs, so I'm just approaching it with a lot of patience and waiting to something good comes along. If we look down here at my dividends that I just received, you can see this is October. WPay last week paid me $44.05. This is at the end of the month, so I won't give this till later. XDTE just paid me $142, and QDTE just paid me $68. Now, all of these WPay, XDTE, QDTE, and YBTC, they pay each and every single week. XDT, QDT on Fridays, so we just got 68 from that and 142. And then YBTC pays on Thursday, which gave me 42. I think WPay paid on Wednesday or Thursday as well. I can't remember, but every week all the 4 of these pay me each and every week. So right now, so far, we've received $297. So almost $300 this week. Not a big deal, but we are growing this and looking to grow it more aggressively. And I want to get this number up. Right now, I guess the focus will be hitting $500 per week. The reason why this has dropped down is because I sold a lot of the stuff that I was aggressively reinvesting in, because I don't want to reinvest anymore in a lot of these. I want to start pulling the money out. So that's why I'm trying to be a little bit more conservative with my income choices there. So lastly, I'll show you this too. You can see on October the 2nd, this was the value, and I put in $1,000, and right now we're over 74. So yeah, you can see here all my deposits. So that's what's going on in this portfolio behind the scenes there. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And also don't forget to check out all the free stuff down there, the Discord and all that other stuff. Sometimes there's some problems with the links. If there's a problem, just type in, you want to join, and I'll send you a link personally in case it's not working. And check all that stuff out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.